Hello there, welcome back to Earth Details. And then we have no really thunderstorms forecasted in the next 3 days. Although we'll see what happens. But anyways, in the meantime, we also have a significant winter storm expected to strike the northeast the next day or two. Multiple winter storm watches have been issued across portions stretching from extreme northeastern North Carolina all the way up until Maine. Blizzard conditions are possible, especially along New England coast, and as well as some heavy snowfall, potentially feet of snow, possible southeastern Massachusetts getting hit the hardest, several feet of snow. It's gonna be a really nasty winter storm that's expected to really strike the northeast, anyways. Right now, take a look at this line of thunderstorms right now across near Melbourne, and right now seems some locally some damaging winds, potentially destructive at times. So that's definitely not really good. And that's really it. We're now issued for at least for the severe thunderstorm warnings. So, anyways, take a look at the severe weather with the winter storm severity index. We'll take a look at it right now, and we can really highlight where, again, along the coast, major impacts across portions stretching from Delaware, Massachusetts, going into Maine. Major impacts are possible. And especially, seems like going into eastern Massachusetts, where we'll be seeing snow measured in really feet. That's where the worst of it is probably going to be. As long as that, we'll be seeing some really damaging wind gusts, and not strong wind gusts, I should say, potentially up to 60 miles per hour around the Cape. And combined with all that snow, we'll be seeing a bunch of blowing snow and maybe some whiteout conditions. Blizzard can't be ruled out, but definitely can't be ruled out. But again, snow is going to be measured in feet, stretching all the way, basically from the mid-Atlantic all the way up. Because we already see winter storm warnings issued from Mount Hawley along the coast for Atlantic City, Salisbury, Georgetown, further north into Dover, Wilmington, Philadelphia, Trenton, Newark. Still under a winter storm warning right now, I guess, due to lack of confidence right now. And then moving up further into the north, again, New York City under this winter storm watch, Islip, Riverhead, New Haven, Hartford, New London, and then where I think the worst will be is going to be across portions, Providence, Newport, Plymouth, and maybe heading east further north as Boston. And looking at those winter storm warnings there for Plymouth, and our surrounding areas, heavy snow expected. Snow totals up to 15 to 20 inches are possible, wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour. And elsewhere, this includes Boston, Providence, Newport as well, and even Block Island points a tiny bit more. Lowell points more off to the west, 12 to 18 inches, wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. And this is for Middlesex, Massachusetts County, northern Worcester, Windham, southern Worcester, and we could be seeing 6 to 12 inches of snow with winds approaching 40 miles per hour. So again, really key detail, this is going to be probably where the heaviest is looking to be right now. More situated on banding, where the heaviest of the bands will be located. So we'll see. That's a time of an uncertainty right now. So, anyways, even heading up to further north, and from Gray, Maine. This includes Binfield, Saco, Orchard Beach, Kittery, Portland, Cape Elizabeth, South Portland. And the list goes on for a long time. Blizzard conditions are possible. It's still total up to 9 to 12 inches are possible, with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Again, this is a really serious situation, and during these times, really, you have to really be careful with travel, as it's going to be basically impossible. Only go if it's an emergency, and check the local forecasts as frequently as possible, and basically have a plan if things go wrong. So, anyways, apart from that, that's really it. And the weather update probably will be coming out tomorrow morning, depending on give an update on the watches and warnings. So anyways, apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.